And look, my new Kiwi. Kiwi is all good. She doesn't have to wear her cone. And yeah, they're just looking outside the window. So yeah. Hi guys, so today's video is gonna be about getting ready with me. So me and my friends are planning to do the Don't Rush challenge. So I already did my before, so now I'm gonna do my after. So yes, so get ready with me. So my face is already moisturized, so I'm gonna put my primer, which is the Fenty Beauty primer. I like to put it on the back of my hands and with a brush. So when I do my makeup, I love to have something in the background, like music or a show, usually on Netflix. So for me, it's a little bit weird just having nothing in the background. Color correct because I have a little bit some hyperpigmentation, so I'm using my go-to, and this is in medium deep. I have the dark one, but I'm just gonna use the deep one. So I like to dab a little bit. I think that's my first tutorials, but me and my bestie gonna have something special in store for you. So if you want to see more like makeup tutorials, we are finally going to start our channel. So I'm super excited for it. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. That's how I am. I am sorry if I'm all over the place. It's my first time doing it. Bear with me, please. So for foundation, I'm gonna use the Match Master by MAC in the shade 7.5. I have it for a long time. I don't know if it's good, but I like to put 1.5 pump. Put you first, cause you're not a number 2. I keep my woman close and I keep my money blue. And I'm gonna spray my face with the Fix Plus Matte. I have combination to oily skin. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Concealer. This is more my skin tone shade. I like to go with 2 concealers. I don't really have dark circle, but I like to do that step before I go in with a lighter concealer. My things are not organized. My room is a mess, which I need to do my spring cleaning. But yeah, I was at work the other day and my coworker told me this coronavirus might be going on for a year to 2 years. I don't know how true it is. I haven't done my research, but if that's the case, I'll be extremely devastating. That means I'm not gonna see, you know, the hubby for this long, which is very sad. So the next, my highlighter shade is Caramel in the NARS concealer. I'm gonna use a cream concealer for contouring, so it's the darker shade. So this is my darker palette. Should use a little bit of that yellow just to add a little bit more.
Shoot my shot, I never miss, I feel like Kobe. I'm big bro, so it's nothing you can show me.
Color. I really like that yellowy look underneath the eyes.
No, I'm not from New York, but my family rap it. Yeah, so I rap it. Yeah, going to LA, get that off my checklist. Yeah, rock so much swoosh, I don't need a check, bitch. My timepiece expensive, your timepiece is ticking. Yellow brick road, tryna get home. Took my alternates, I'm out of here. Yeah, poof, I'm gone.
So for my hair, when I do bronzer, because I don't want it to look patchy, because I do wrap my head to set my to basically set my hair so it don't be looking like too light of a color. So I like to do that. I'm just gonna wash my hair, so that's how it looks. How it looks. Got a little bit messy because I was trying the blueberry gel curl, because I usually use the Eco Styling gel. But since, because I'm at home, I'm like, ooh, that I bought it, so I might as well just use it. I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler gel, or with the, yeah, to set those baby hair. I don't know if you could see, they're not as slick as this one. So I did it for work yesterday and it looked cute, so I'm gonna have to use it. So you see how that be looking like? Going to set underneath the eyes, honey. It's like not as bright, so I'm gonna go and that's just to set it. I'm gonna use the Beauty Bakery to bake. We're gonna do some contouring, and my favorite of all time to contour is Blonde by MAC. See how dark it gets. For bronzer, I'm gonna use Prime Beauty in the shade Bronzerville. It's black owned. Very pigmented. So
I'm big bro, so it's nothing you can show me. Always calm, cool, collected, never thinking reckless.
for the eyes, I'm gonna use Painterly by MAC with my fingers, which is, I find it's the best way to apply that. So that's how it looks. Has like a pinky undertone to it. Eyebrow pencils, I have the old one, that's how it used to look, and the upgraded version has a brush and you could retract the pencil, while this one did not have anything to retract. And for brow gel, I'm just gonna use the Anastasia. The closest to my skin tone. Bronzer as my transition shade. Orange from MAC. Just to warm it up a little bit. It's not as warm. as I wanted it to be. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Caro from my Trivia Arts palette. I think it's Masquerade Mini. This does not look mini because the pens could get pretty big. So I'm gonna go with this orangey with shimmery. And her eyeshadow is very, very pigmented. And the price is good. My bestie got me one of her palette. And I've been in love with it ever since. So thanks, Amir. For blush, I'm gonna use the Toby by Juvia palette. I'm gonna use Taj Mahal by NARS. Look at me. Lashes, I'm actually gonna use Intoxicated by Flutter Lashes. I got this recommendation from Jackie, Aina, and Jacqueline, and I love it. They're pretty good at recommending things. Oh, we're gonna go in with a liner. I'm going to use Abby from my Blush Contour Highlighter palette from Juvia Place. Sorry, when I do this, I can't talk. So you see, lashes make big difference. Look. Let's go. Remember Laura Geller highlighter? Yeah. I don't even think I set my eyebrows.
Tell me why they acting like I changed. Walk into the club and make it rain. I went way too hard to stay the same. And I got the drip from my chain.
Contouring for my nose.
Now you wanna fuck me for the fame. Tell me, do you know my name? Yeah, it's a game. Treat my Honda like a NASCAR. You nigga on my radar.
Perfect. And I'm gonna set my face. And I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. For the lips, for NYX lip liner and Toast, and I have Meltdown. And then I'm gonna go with Cheeky by Fenty Beauty. Yep, that's more of the look that I envision. Let me get a close up. And for the hair, what did I use? Oh yeah, I used, that's why it looks so shiny. And yeah, and my leave-in conditioner by MELANIN Hair Care, and some oil. I use, what oil did I use? Oh yeah, I use almond oil.
So what's going on for the next video?
Nothing. Babe, maybe we should do a giveaway.
I'm down.
Got me out on my own, deleting girls on my phone. And if they keep on calling, I'm leaving them at the tone. So tell me what's the problem, my dedication is shown. Don't want a side piece, all I really want is my main thing. You wanted something that's real, we want the same thing. But I don't know what to do, because you playing games. I'm trying to